Hi everyone, I'm Rafe Sehgal. I currently work as a partner at Sehgal, Tarar and Lagari, which is a rising corporate law firm based out of Lahore in Pakistan. Before I begin, I'll offer a brief introduction. I graduated from New York University School of Law, where I specialized in corporate and commercial laws, along with maintaining a keen emphasis in constitutional law and civil rights. Previously, I've worked with two leading firms based in Lahore. One of them was an international law firm offering corporate advisory in the energy and infrastructure industry, while the other represented clients in high profile commercial and constitutional litigation. After joining Sehgal, Tarar and Lagari as a partner, I mainly looked after the firm's corporate and commercial practice, and my work mainly involves advising corporate clients on both contentious and non-contentious portfolios. For non-contentious matters, I chiefly advise board executives, controlling stockholders, and other corporate constituencies on corporate governance issues. I also assist businesses in negotiating and in defining key relationships with corporate stakeholders. With respect to contentious matters at the firm, I represent clients on a diverse range of matters, including intellectual property infringement, commercial, banking, and financial litigation, as well as civil disputes. So, what does Sehgal, Tarar, and Lagari do? Well, we bring together a dynamic group of internationally qualified practitioners who have substantial experience in advising clients on different stages of the commercial transaction process. In fact, we routinely advise clients on the formation, structure, and operation of corporate entities. We have a strong track record of assisting corporate clients on best management practices, director duties, and general corporate compliance. Our lawyers have also worked on structuring cross-border commercial transactions by advising foreign clients on due diligence, expropriation risks, and the impacts of tax legislation. As litigators, our lawyers and off-counsels regularly appear before the Supreme Court, high courts, trial courts, and regulatory authorities throughout Pakistan. We continue to represent our clients in a wide array of matters, including constitutional litigation, employment, labor and service matters, complex commercial disputes, and white-collar crimes. And while much has been said about the business end of the firm, Sehgal, Tarar and Lagari also has a foundational commitment to providing pro bono legal representation to those in need within our communities. Dedication to pro bono services forms a significant part of our firm's work ethic and culture. Each year, we offer pro bono representation in different areas of public interest law and human rights, including children's rights, private family law, domestic violence and abuse, and social entrepreneurialism. We also work with charitable organizations, assisting them in day-to-day regulatory requirements and compliances. I'm also happy to share that the firm has a published policy statement on diversity and inclusion. In fact, we value everyone's uniqueness, irrespective of race, gender, ethnicity, or religion. And while we still have distance to travel, we're committed and steadfast to maintaining diversity and inclusion in our workplace. Finally, and most importantly, I'd like to close with a few words for the fresh graduates that are close to joining the profession. If you're about to seek placement in law firms that specialize in business and human rights, my 2 cents and advice is mostly going to revolve around what I'd wish I would have found out during my time as a law student. For any law student in Pakistan, transitioning from law school to a law firm can be an overwhelming and often intimidating experience. Not only is the learning curve steep, but there are significantly limited opportunities for growth. I want you to start by sitting down in your employer's shoes and asking whether you'd hire yourself. In that vein, try and identify those areas where you can perhaps improve and achieve personal growth. Remember, the right employers will be practical in their expectations, but you need to also be realistic in setting your goals as a graduate student. Involve yourself in extracurriculars such as mooting, journal, and academic writing, or engage yourself in professional internships. Moreover, accustom yourself to developments in the legal field. For instance, there are a lot of lawyers and law firms that are now active on social media, making them even more approachable. Just take the first step. Be proactive and reach out to them individually. In the beginning, you might feel a little shaky or nervous while striking a conversation, but just take that leap of faith. This is the part where you have to get comfortable with being a little uncomfortable. Just take the first step, and you'll be surprised by the number of lawyers who are willing to have a conversation with younger colleagues in a bid to help out. And just like that, opportunities will unwind. And even if they don't, then just move on. After all, the worst that can happen is hearing a no. Nothing more, nothing less. On behalf of Sehgal, Tarar and Lagari, I'd like to thank the organizers of the BHR Student Career Fair at the American Bar Association and the dedicated individuals at LUMS who made this possible. Once again, thank you for inviting us. I wish you all the best of luck in your future endeavors.